Hello viewer, Bert Royale here with another Tales from the Toy Shed video. Now I wanted to share with you this. Claire was out with Grandma the other week and on the indoor market she found this. Look, a Spaceman. Yeah, I was very excited for a moment because I thought it was a Major Matt Mason figure. However, Les was round helping me do some decoupage in the back bedroom, and he correctly pointed out that this was in fact take off at Doctor Who. Yeah, Doctor Who. Well, I hadn't realised that this was in fact David Tennant. Yeah, who was of course Doctor Who. Well, I hadn't twigged this, you see, because I'm only really familiar with that Peter Capaldi guy. But anyhow, what a beaut, eh? I was really surprised when Claire bought this one in, because Grandma had only paid £1. £1 for this. Beaut. Now look at the detail on his lovely red space suit. He's got, I don't know if you can see that there, viewer. Look at those lovely pockets for all his space-related paraphernalia. And look at detail on face there. David Tennant. Yeah, as Doctor Who. Now I'm not sure what episode this came from. As you know, viewer, I'm trying to bring myself up to speed with Doctor Who via interweb. And as I said, I've been watching that Peter Capaldi. And there you go, you see. Lovely red spacesuit, and still got the space helmet. Look. Now look at the detail on that one there. Look. Les says he thinks this is about 5 years old. But I don't really know. I'll do a bit more research on interweb and I'll let you know. But anyhow, for £1, I think that's quite a superb action figure. Well, there you go, Dave. Thanks for watching, and as always, please subscribe to my channel. Ta very much.